all over the place. That's a relatively short thing. It does make you laugh. I know. They give themselves special powers, on the legal powers to rapidly clamp down on any interference. It could be good fun, that, really. We might get some stuff cleaned up, because if they force people to clean stuff up, you know, PLT or whatever, I can't see these people immediately uncleaning it. It's not very good grammar, but uncleaning it as soon as the Olympics are over, so we might benefit in the end, you never know. Anyway, catch you a bit later, JB and Kim.
Yeah, okay, Ken. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, no need to rush. Once I've got sorted, I'll be sat up there anyhow. I'll tell you what I'll do. Rather than come on WP, I'll monitor 22, so we know where we are.
Yeah, I thought you were going to say 23 then, and then I thought 22, then I realised what you meant. Yeah, fair enough, Brian, yeah. JB.
All right, mate. See you there in about 20 minutes or so, 30 minutes, whatever. Cheers.
Yep, catch you in a short while, JB.